Today I'm going to show you how to get into the windows of your forged wheels using these foam bits and Pro Red from Renegade products. Here we go. Step one, you want to take this, put your Pro Red right onto the foam bit and put inside the window before you start the machine. Now I've got the window polished. I'm going to take a fresh microfiber towel and I'm going to wipe this window out, leaving behind nothing but shine. Now you can use this with the whiting powder or you can just use it without the whiting powder. Either way, it will get the rest of that polish out. So big question we get, felt versus foam, when to use it, when to not. So on windows that are really damaged, really caked up with brake dust, or got really heavy mill lines, a felt bob is going to be great because it's stiffer and you can actually get in there and generate a little bit more heat. So this is going to be more of a cutting pad, if you will. Use this with the Ultra Cut to really get in here and clean that up. Come back with the foam bob and the Pro Red and polish it out to a mirror finish. Now I'm going to show you the difference between using a felt bob on a die grinder and one of the foam bobs on the Dremel. Felt bob, we're going to use the Ultra Cut. We're going to really grind down this window right here and really bring out all the oxidation. Then we're going to come back with the foam bob and the Pro Red and shine it up. On the felt bob, you can put your Ultra Cut right on it, or you can just put your Ultra Cut in the window. Either way is going to work just fine for this application. I'm going to go ahead and put it on the actual felt bob first and start it up same way we would do with the foam bob. Yeah, kind of the same principle as when you do your cut and color with the buffs and bars. You always want your highest RPM on your cut, and then you can start turning your RPMs down on your color. Oh, that is so nice. Look at that.
That's a good two-step, huh?
That is a great two-step, yeah, actually. I think that's turning out nicer than the other one we did. Now we're going to wipe that out. Yeah, look at that. Look at how nice and shiny that is. Yeah, that came out real nice. This one's still nice, but the Ultra Cut, you can see the difference. The Ultra Cut actually took out more of the milling lines and more of the heavier oxidation, whereas this just kind of took the oxidation and shined it up. So this is a great two-step for windows.
We cut with the Ultra Cut and the
felt bob.
And the felt bob for cut.
So you've seen our two-step system for doing windows. We did a heavy cut, then we came back and we did a final polish. You have to have two different machines, okay? We're using a DeWalt name brand. We're also using the name brand Dremel. Both of them kind of expensive machines. Now there are less expensive options out there. The Bauer tools from Harbor Freight, they make both of these machines in a straight angle, a corded die grinder, and a multi-tool, same as the Dremel. They're less expensive to get you started, or they're great for the hobbyists. So that way you're not spending $200, $300, $400 to buy all these machines to do this job.